Welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick how-to tutorial of how to use OpenAI Codex to Cursor. Hey guys, so using the OpenAI Codex in Cursor, it has never been easier thanks to its seamless integration for coding assistance. So to start, you just want to ensure you have the latest version of the Cursor installed and then sign in with your OpenAI account. Once inside, you open any coding project and activate the Codex extension. This will allows you to write natural language prompts, which Codex then translates into clean executable code. You can generate functions, debug existing scripts, or even get suggestions for optimizing your workflow all in real time. Cursor also supports multiple programming languages, so whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, or JS, or even SQL, Codex adapts to your needs.